Hi there. You were so quiet I didn't see you there. Sorry. Let me close out this program first. I have some important information that Professor Williams has asked me to give to you. There. I want to encourage you to pay close attention to this information. You might even want to take some notes. I'm going to explain the process necessary for each of you to take the final exam for this course. The exam must be taken in a proctored setting. What that means is that each student will take the exam after showing proof of identity, and also in a setting where an observer can assure that the exam is being taken according to the instructor's guidelines. First, I'm sure you are wondering why you have to do this. The college requires at least one proctored exam be administered in each online course. So, number 1. It's required. OTC policy says that failure to take the proctored exam may result in a failing grade, regardless of what your grade was up to that point. I know none of you want that to happen. The next question you might ask is, where and how do I take this proctored exam? First, you must determine the location. For all of you who live within 30 miles of any OTC campus, you must take the exam at the testing center in that location. That should cover the majority of you. It is your responsibility to find out the business hours of your chosen location and ensure that you arrive with plenty of time to finish the exam before they close. If you live outside of the 30-mile circle, you have a couple of options. First, you may take the exam at any approved location that has proctoring capabilities. You can find a list of many sites on the OTC Testing Services webpage. Examples of your options are public libraries, high school administrators, test control or unit education officers at military bases, or other colleges that may have testing services. Unacceptable proctors would be people such as relatives, clergy, other college instructors, or employers. You must submit an off-campus proctoring approval form within at least 5 days of the exam date. OTC Testing Services will let you know if your site is approved. The third option, which is open to all students, is to use a proctoring service called Proctored. They provide a remote proctoring service which allows the student to take their exam from home. This service has a fee and the student is responsible for paying. If you have questions about Proctored, you should also visit the OTC Testing Services website for more information. So it's important for each of you to know your responsibilities. First, you need to determine where and how you will take the proctored exam. Second, you need to ensure that you allow plenty of time for the test and that you know the hours available at the site. And last, remember that you'll need to have proof of ID when taking the exam. Oh yeah, don't forget to study also. Well, I've got more work to get done. Don't forget to make arrangements for the final exam. All the information I've just covered is also attached to this message. Best of luck and remember to finish strong. See you around.